Hi, I'm Sharon Bill. As my lessons progress on through towards the back of the ABRSM Grade 3 Discovering Music Theory workbook, my lessons now move on to Chapter 9, looking at music in context. And here we get the opportunity to test our knowledge, bearing in mind this is using all of the information from grades 1, 2 and 3, and we answer questions referring back to a little musical extract. The full lesson can be found on my Patreon channel. If you visit patreon.com/Sharon Bill, you can find the full lesson there, and links to this lesson can be found in the cards and in the description box below. After this short little video, you'll see sample examples of this lesson to show you how I address this question and how to find the answers quickly and easily, and I lead you through each exercise step by step. Once you feel that you are ready to take your ABRSM Grade 3 Music Theory exam, I've written an exam technique guide, How to Take Your ABRSM Music Theory Exam. It's full of tips and hints on how to be best prepared for your exam, and also how to make the very best use of your time when you're actually taking the exam. This book is available from Amazon in either ebook format or as a paperback, and you can find the links to that in the cards and in the description box below. All the information can also be found on my website. If you visit www.sharonbill.com, you'll find it's all there. Enjoy your studies. Bye. So all of the notes form the tonic triad in A flat major can be found where? So what is it that we're looking for before we go searching ahead? So we know that a tonic triad is built up of the first, the third and the fifth. And so we have the first is A flat. We'll worry about the flats in a moment though. 1, A flat. And if you find this difficult, you can always just quickly sketch a pencil version of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, B, C, D, E. And we know that there's a key signature for A flat major of B flats, E flats, A flats, D flats. Of course, A flats, that's the tonic, and we need an E flat. So we're looking for all of these notes, A flat, C, E flat. Now bear in mind the flats will be in the key signature, so you won't see those. So we're just looking for the spacing where we've got an A, C, E, and the key signature does the rest. And actually we see that's pretty quickly here in bar 2, because there's the A, which is flattened because of your key signature. There's the C, there's the E, which is flattened because of your key signature. That's our tonic triad. So bar 2 gives us that. Is it true or is it false that there are 2 pairs of tied notes in the melody? Now, a tie, if you remember from grade 1, joins note head to note head, either this way or this way, combining the pitch so it makes it last longer. Not to be confused with, say, for example, a slur where there are lots of different notes and it's a sort of a big umbrella covering lots of different notes. So you've just got to watch out. Although it's the same shape, it's applied differently. And so here, that's a slur, lots of different notes. That's a slur, that's a slur. That's a slur, that's a slur, that's a slur. Here we have a tie, causing this to be held for 1, 2, 3 plus another 1, 2, 3. That makes it 6 beats long in total. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And so actually we've only got one tie. Everything else is a slur. So just a little bit tricky there. So actually that's false. Does bar 4 have the same rhythm as bar 5, 6, 7 or 8? So let's look at bar 4. So don't get sidetracked by pitch, it's just rhythm. We are looking for quaver, quaver, minim. So quaver, quaver, minim, we get again in bar 6, don't we? So there we go. No need to go looking at all the others. Just find the answer, then check off the correct box.